Twotwo CrazyAI brings you the most important AI news we've curated today. Sam Altman confirms GPT-5.3 is on the way. X open sources its core recommendation algorithm, Claude Code enters VS Code, llama.cpp connects local models, and Moonshot AI reaches new valuation heights. Let's dive into today's developments. Breaking news. Sam Altman just confirmed on social media that OpenAI's next major model will be GPT-5.3. He's actively collecting user feedback and feature suggestions. The current GPT 5.2 is already a beast, scoring 77% on Olympiad-level reasoning tests and outperforming 3/4 of human experts at 74.1% on knowledge work benchmarks. Altman previously admitted that GPT-5 launch was completely botched, and this time he's taking a more open approach to prepare version 5.3. AI competition is heating up. This is a historic moment for social media. Elon Musk's X platform has officially open-sourced the recommendation algorithm powering the For You feed, now available on GitHub. The system uses a 3-layer architecture, with Phoenix, a Grok-based ML ranking engine, at its core. What's remarkable is it completely eliminates handcrafted features, relying entirely on the transformer model to understand your engagement history. Musk admits the current algorithm is clunky, but says open sourcing is about transparency. The code got 1,600 stars within 6 hours of going live. Anthropic's Claude Code has finally left the command line. The VS Code extension is now live, bringing a native graphical interface experience to developers. The biggest highlight is flexible permission control. In default mode, Claude asks before every action. Plan mode has it describe changes first, waiting for your approval. Auto accept mode lets AI work freely. Another killer feature is @mentions. Type @ plus a file name to reference specific files, even down to exact line numbers. Claude Code is redefining the AI-assisted coding experience. A major breakthrough for the open-source AI community. llama.cpp server now supports the Anthropic Messages API, meaning tools like Claude Code can connect directly to your local models. Usage is simple. Start Llama server with your model, set the environment variable to point to the local endpoint, then run Claude as normal. Features are quite complete: streaming chat, tool calling, vision capabilities, even extended thinking for reasoning models. For privacy-sensitive documents or saving API costs, this is an excellent choice. Chinese AI unicorn keeps charging ahead. Moonshot AI just closed a new funding round, reaching a $4.8 billion valuation, up $500 million from last month. Alibaba, Tencent, and other giants are investors. More importantly, the Kimi platform has launched a new model API beta, currently limited to verified enterprise users. In terms of capabilities, Kimi K2 thinking has already outperformed GPT-5 and Claude Sonnet 4.5 on multiple benchmarks. Interestingly, CEO Yang Jilin revealed the company has over 10 billion RMB in cash reserves, with no short-term IPO plans. Here comes today's craziest question. OpenAI is prepping 5.3, X open-sourced its algorithm, Claude Code entered VS Code, and local models can now run Claude tools. Which of these 4 will actually change your daily work? What's your choice? Drop it in the comments. Twotwo CrazyAI. Stay crazy tomorrow.